Yeah, they down with this. Because they down with this.
For the Gisborne Boys High School team on the rectory field before they have an opportunity to try and become the Hurricanes' top four.
One of the wonderful things about Whakata Māori, big on these young guys enjoying themselves.
There you go, that's Luke Goodwin, as I said. First try coming up shortly, perhaps.
He's a top player. Goodman got a couple of Super 8 tries this season already that I know of. And over in the corner there, New Plymouth. This very, very powerful entity, and it's a lock forward, a well-deserving player, the big guy, Jake Dingle. 4 points to 15. They beat Napier Boys in the top four final at McLean Park. They were chucked the lifeline. They thought their season was over. Qualified from Rugby Park. Away they went and got the job done. And
this looks promising, Ben.
It does. With some good breakouts here, Gisborne Boys, with some backs at pace. And these guys are dangerous. We've seen Boot put the ball. Did he get there? Yes, he did. Kaurangi Leach Waihi has scored an incredible try. Kaurangi Leach Waihi is playing his last Super 8 game today. Kevin, to score a try in your last game for the school, obviously the ultimate's to score it at home. Okay, Gisborne Boys haven't found touch. Dingle scored one, and that's a nice pass in field from Nielsen. Nielsen just looks so dangerous every time he touches it. That's a Quaden Chafikora. Ball takes a high bounce off the turf here. We have had rain, but it's not a boggy ground at all. It never is. Is this Nielsen again? Yes, Nielsen trying to get away from Chafikora. He's got long legs. He can certainly stretch out, break the tackle. Great play there by Nielsen. Over halfway, so Braden Nielsen with a fantastic burst down the sideline. Timwaki Stewart trying to catch him up. Trying to catch up with him. Unselfish pass. Oh, brilliant stuff. So New Plymouth Boys High School right there. How close is close? Not close enough. New Plymouth defend. New Plymouth, stout-hearted New Plymouth with hearts of oak, hanging on here for dear life at the rectory. Up by 9, but you wouldn't know it. Fighting for their very rugby survival here in the Super 8. Arguably, no, not arguably, probably the toughest competition in the country. Right up there with A1 anyway. Quaden Chafikora got it away. It's Impala. Impala Waipara. That's a fair try. That's a try. Impala Waipara has scored a try. Unendingly, the way he ran down the sideline, and then with that last pass, okay, New Plymouth on the run with their big front row forwards, and they got some big guys too. Toremana played well today, scrummaged very well. The New Plymouth scrum has been very good all the way through. Gisborne Boys now having to tackle. You don't want to score and then give one up. You can't score one, then give one away. Davis there. Oh, good stuff. Does he get home? Okay, Gisborne Boys getting to him. Advantage here, referee Smith, penalty New Plymouth. And a bird in the hand is worth 3 in the bush, I think, or something like that. Okay, there's the penalty goal. 17-10. Came about, Kevin?
Well, I'll tell you what it came about. It came about from a 5-man line out New Plymouth Boys had.
Oh, he's there! Luke Beaver has gotten across there.
With a bit of impact, that player.
Beaver. That's static ball, you've got to say. You wanted a bit quicker than that. New Plymouth there running onto the ball now. Here's Davis. One out wide. Nelly getting a ball back in field, playing with some confidence now. Not exactly reckless abandon, but some confidence as well now. New Plymouth, why not? They are a good team. They're better than their Super 8 record suggests. Fine players. Guys who can go further in the sport. Don't ever question that. Okay, New Plymouth with some structure. Here's Nielsen. Nielsen has been dangerous, and he's posed dangers for Gisborne every time he's touched the ball. Dingle did well too, I've got to be honest. He scored the first try of the game. He was good. Okay, this is through. And what are you trying to do if you're New Plymouth?
Well, New Plymouth's going to try and get a nice steady scrum and make it square. Gisborne also wants to make it square, but also wants to get a second, and 8 shunt on it, and make sure it's good quality ball at the back, so the number 8's got a chance, as we're seeing now, to come off the scrum to set the first fades, which they've done. Gisborne getting close to the line now.
Okay, Gisborne are getting close to the line. This may be a make or break possession for Gisborne Boys. They cannot turn it over from here. They're trying to go through the middle. I thought there might have been an option to push a little to the right. There are only inches in it. This is the craft of the forwards. This is their art. Their body position.
Yes, and they're very low and they're pumping their legs, they're latching on. They've got a good opportunity now to cross the line if they do it right.
This is great forward play here from the Gisborne Boys High School First 15. This is their industry. This is their young...
Penalty try, penalty try.
A penalty try there, referee Smith. They don't have the advantage of surprise now, New Plymouth. But there again, the wind died down.
First drive has to be done right first, the line out. It's taken short. Not the 5 metres and the game is over, Ben.
Okay, the game is over and Gisborne Boys have their first win of the Super 8 season.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this. Fuck, I don't know, and you know.